Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to fix deposit issues on Etsy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in etsy.com. After that, you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, of course, if you already don't have one, you can always go and register to Etsy. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here you have in the top left corner the categories, where you can check out all of the categories. We have the search bar, where you can of course search for any items, and in the top right corner we have your account, where you can check out everything about it. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix deposit issues on Etsy. So to fix deposit issues on Etsy, you need to go and follow these 3 steps. So check with your bank first. So first of all, you just need to go and ask your bank. So if a deposit is listed in your payment account, but you still have not received it, contact your bank. They may need to send the funds back to Etsy. So basically you just need to go and call your bank, or of course go to your bank in person and check it out like that. Then you need to update your bank account details, sign in to Etsy, go to shop manager, then payment settings, edit your bank details and enter your new bank information. And that's basically the steps which of course can help you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, bye guys.